Today I just want to show you guys how to make a little Sonobe star. This is an origami and it takes 30 pieces of paper. So you got to get 30 little square pieces. I have one and it's right here. See, it's blue. So this is how you do it. You want the color side down, and first you're going to fold it in half. If you want color, the color side. So you're going to fold in half. That's step one. You want to make sure you have a hard surface. I'm using this Trixie and Katya's book, but so after you fold it in half, and you're gonna fold each side in. I'd call that step 2 and 3. So that's step 2, and then you're gonna fold the other side in. Ooh. That's step 3. And you guys really want to make sure they're like sharp, because the cleaner the folds, the cleaner the origami ball will be. So in step 4, you're going to take this corner and you're going to bring it up to the halfway point. So you're going to fold it in right till it meets this edge, and then you're going to fold this down. And you're going to step 5, I think we're on. Maybe it was 4. You're going to fold this side back over, and we're going to do the same thing to the other corner. So again, we're going to bring this corner down, and this one's a little bit trickier, but you want to bring it down, and then again you want to fold this corner. So now it should look something like this so far, kind of almost like a little windmill, I'd say. So next we're going to take this little overlapping piece and we're going to fold it back so that you see the white. And again, you want to make this about as sharp as can be, and you're going to press down, and it should look kind of like that on the back. So looks like that, and then again we're going to flip it and do that to the other side. So we have, again, you just fold it back, try to make these as sharp as can be. I wouldn't say this is like super hard origami. The most annoying part is that you have to do it 30 times. So now we have this, and we got a couple more steps left. So you're gonna fold it in half like this, and then now you're gonna fold like this corner. You're gonna fold it back so that it like kind of lines up. Let's see if I can get it right. All right, so that's, you do that, and then you're gonna flip it and just do the same thing on the other side. All this origami is, it's all symmetrical for this. So then after that, you're just gonna open it up like this, and you should have a piece like this. And it's really important to make sure that you do all the folds the same. Like, you don't wanna do, if you're doing them all like that, you don't wanna do them to the other side, because you need like each piece to be the exact same. So that's one piece done. You need to do this 29 more times, and then we'll be ready to make the first little step. Next, I'm gonna show you guys how to start putting them together. So I'm gonna get 3 colors that I like. I got a blue, purple, and pink. So I'm gonna take this piece and I'm gonna put it under the white flap. And then next, I'm gonna take this pink piece again, and I'm gonna put it under that white flap. And I'm gonna take this blue piece and I'm gonna put it under the pink white flap. And then you kind of want to start like pushing them together a little bit, and you should get a little triangle like that. So then that's only one of these little triangles. So then you want to start getting some more origami colors that you like, and you're gonna start adding on. So you're gonna put another piece under this white and blue flap, and then you're gonna find another color you like, take another purple, and you're gonna just put it under the white flap, and you're gonna keep interlocking these. So now we got 2 of these, and then we're gonna do this a couple more times till we got 5 on the bottom. So I'll just keep doing that to show you guys what it looks like. You just push it in, put another under the white flap, interlock them, and then push them together. So take some more colors I like. Here's a light pink, put that up with the dark pink. throw white in. So now we have 4 of these triangles, and we need one more like triangle for the base. So I think this time we'll use a green, and let's just make sure I'm doing this right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I already fucked up. All right, so you need to be careful. So you actually don't put another. You take this white one and you're gonna push it into the green. And then I'm gonna get another color. We'll just take, so we'll use the light green here. And again, I'm just pushing them in. So now this is gonna be the bottom. This is gonna be the base. And you see how I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles? You're gonna do this twice. So you're gonna have a bottom, and then you're gonna have a top, and then you're gonna start putting in some other pieces around the edges. Fucking up, this is how we're gonna do the middle. So we're gonna put in a piece like this into the bottom, and then we're gonna put another piece in like this, and then we're gonna interlock the next one. So then we're gonna start here. We're gonna put another piece in the bottom, and we're gonna put another piece in the bottom of that one, and then we're gonna interlock right here. And again, once they interlocked, you wanna push them together. So we're gonna do that to this one. We're gonna put a piece in here, and then we're gonna put another one in the bottom of here, and we're gonna interlock them again. Boom. So then we're gonna take another piece right here. We'll actually use the pink piece. Just gotta like a little bit better with that color. Put it right there. We'll take the white one right here. Again, put in the bottom. Then we're gonna interlock them. Push them together. And then we got 2 more pieces left. So we're gonna put one in here. We're gonna interlock them. And then we're gonna push this one in. And then we're also gonna interlock it right here. So now what you should see is we got about 2/3 of it done. We have the 5-part bottom, and then we have half of the middle, I would say. And then we have the other half, the top that we built earlier, because I told you to make 2. And we're gonna put that in. And now this is probably gonna be the easiest part, I believe. Just gotta make sure it's tight origami wise. And we're gonna just I never really built the top like this, but I'm gonna push one in right here, push it together. I'm gonna take the next piece, push it together. I wish I had better ways of explaining this to you guys of how to build this, but it's a little bit just trial and error. It's a little bit tricky, but I would say it's easiest to build the top and the middle, or sorry, top and the bottom, and then the middle is the hardest part in my opinion. So definitely take your time with that, but once you got it done, it's pretty easy to just put the top on. You just want to start interlocking them. And then we have this very last one right here, where I'm just gonna, again, I'm pushing it in under those little white flaps, pushing it under the white flaps, and then I'm just gonna kind of tighten up every little triangle. And check it out, guys. We just built another little Sonobe star. Like I said, it takes 30 pieces of paper. Like I would say the origami itself is pretty easy to build, but the modular unit is a little bit trickier. But hey, thank you guys for watching. It means a lot. Here's 2 of these. So yeah, use square origami paper. Takes 30 per ball. And have a good day. Stay safe. Stay blessed, y'all. Thank you, man.